We just parked there. We're going to walk back and take a look at this Swelter Shelter Petroglyph site, or pictograph, whichever it is. Right back down there. So let's head over there. A more settled life. You can pause and read that, and I'm not going to take and read all that vocally. Let's take a look at. They're at work there. Okay, let's go take a look at them. Okay, wow. There we go. Hmm. Hmm. Cool. Hmm. Wow, so cool. Going down. Just notice it's further to the right. It's, right there too, it looks like. I'm not sure if that's genuine or not. So quiet. The last one's a young one, the fawn.
There was something up there by that trees or brush right where the corner is, or right before it, that went down.
Oh, okay.
It looks smaller. I couldn't tell. Oh, there. Are those deer also? Probably.
Yeah, most likely it was another deer. On this side now.
Crossing the road?
Oh, way up there by the sign. I see it now. Yeah.
There are bighorn in this area. But, yeah, it's a deer.
The bounce. I like how they bound. Boing, boing, boing. Okay, we're going to Split Mountain now. Okay, we're not at Split Mountain yet, but we saw this overlook that kind of looks nice. Look at that, dangerous seas. Holy cow. Here, you can take and read that, and you can pause and read that. I'll hold it steady for a moment to give you a chance. Okay, let's take a look at this right here. Dinosaur National Monument, that's where we are at. You can see there. You can pause and read that. Then I'll slowly go down here and wow. Ooh. Cool. Okay, now let's take a look at the... Oh, cool. There's the river down below, and they even there's a picnic area down there. Or no, is that the campground? Because that looks like a pull-through campsite there. Wow, that must be the campground, I'm thinking. Cool. Unless it's just the picnic area, I don't know. We'll find that out later. I suppose it's a sign further on. But that's the Green River flowing on by. And they do have bighorn in this park. This national monument, I should actually call it. That's what it is. So I'm going to take and put the camera down and grab the binoculars and kind of scope through there and see if I can happen to see any bighorns over there. I did take the binoculars and look. I haven't seen any bighorn yet, but I notice there's another sign down here I want to take a look at. Okay, that just tells about the tilted layers of rock. And that tells a split mountain. Okay, over across the river there, you can kind of see something really cool. See that? There's water flowing out of the rock there, out of that hole or something, into the river, and then the water, it froze. A frozen waterfall. You could probably drive down to that parking lot area and get a closer look at it. That would be cool. Wow. This is the Split Mountain Campground here at Dinosaur National Monument, and it is actually open, available for camping, but there's nobody here. Nobody has the correct rig for camping in weather like this, apparently. At least there's not too many people now. It's open for camping year-round. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I can park right here. It doesn't matter. See if you can see that frozen waterfall, a mini waterfall. Yeah, just trail right here even. Desert Voices Trail. I didn't even know about this one. 1.7 miles round trip. Moderate difficulty. No shade on it. Huh. Whoa, look at that. Connects up. There's the Sound of Silence trail. Wow. So there's plenty of trails here. Exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Ooh. Not in January though. Wow. Plenty of room for boat launches here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little, well, big areas for launching the boats. And I do see the frozen water. You see some over there, icicles hanging. But the one I wanted to see is right there. Ha ha ha. All right. Cool. Totally frozen. Cool. Right over that hole. I would imagine you can raft down it too, or float down it some way. Not whitewater rafting, but I wonder if we can do it on inner tubes or something. Tubing, that would be fun. And I just said that I was wondering if they could raft it, and I said probably not whitewater rafting, but apparently I'm wrong. They do have whitewater rafting on this river. Wow. The Green and Yampa rivers flow through deep canyon walls as well as tower more than 1,000 feet above. Home to rapids that can both thrill and terrify. And there's open areas, water runs smooth, so you got that too. Huh. Cool. The Green River. Not going to do the entire trail, but probably will walk up to where that little cave is. It's called the Desert Voices Trail, but we'll just go up as far as that cave and see what it looks like. And here's the cave. Antlion. Okay. Where is it? You see it?
The antlion thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
I really don't know what that is. I have no idea what that sign is about. Watch your head.
Don't see anything. Oh well. Yeah. Gosh, something else. Well, anyways, there's the cave.